Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Meigancai is a preserved Hakka vegetable dish. To make it, you must first leave some mustard greens under the sun until they're soft. Then add salt and use your hands to rub it in. After the water in the vegetable has been completely removed and it's totally dry, you then tie the leaves together and seal them in a jug.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And once again, this month we're focusing on the ingredients found in the common Hakka cuisine. And today Leo's going to introduce another ingredient. 那今天要来介紹什麼呢？
今天要介紹的是鹹菜乾。
鹹菜乾 ，OK， 當然我就不知道是什麼東西了。鹹菜乾是
鹹菜乾就是有點黑黑的，
黑黑的哦。
煮出來的東西呢，你一定很喜歡吃。國語叫做梅乾扣肉。
梅乾扣肉啊？
是
哦，所以梅乾是不是就是鹹菜乾？
梅乾扣肉叫鹹菜乾鳳肉。
鳳肉。就是扣肉，
就是扣肉。
哦 ，OK， 鹹菜乾鳳肉，
一定要那種三層肉，那種有點肥，然後又有點瘦肉，那種煮出來才好吃。
哦，所以客家話也是叫三層肉。
對對對，三層肉。
三層肉 ，OK， that means 3-layer pork, which is kind of like bacon in a way, you know, but it's really, really, really tasty. This is one of my favorite food here in Taiwan. It's actually cooked with the 3-layer pork. So it's a little bit oily, it's a little bit lean at the same time. 其實梅乾菜就是芥菜嘛，對不對？
對啊，對啊，
沒錯嘛。如果記得，
其實它跟酸菜鹹菜是同樣的東西做出來的。
Okay.
但是呢，鹹菜的做法是它泡在水裡頭發酵過，梅乾菜是曬過之後呢，放在甕裡頭去發酵過。
So this is based on the mustard green. These are ingredients that take a lot of time to make. You take the mustard green, you dry it under the sun until it's soft, and then you can actually use it in this dish that we just talked about. Again, 梅乾扣肉, one of my favorites. So let's go ahead and review these terms. 梅乾菜,
鹹菜乾,
鹹菜乾, which is the mustard green leaf, and then you can make it into the 梅乾扣肉 dish.
鹹菜乾鳳肉,
鹹菜乾鳳肉. All right. Again, if you haven't tasted this before, go have it. It's popular. It's everywhere. You can find it in a lot of 便当 places too. 也就是梅乾扣肉. Well, thank you so much, Leo, because I'm getting hungry again. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.